कितने की हो गई है?
कितने की पड़ी?
कितनी की है वैसे बाइक?
हनी ले जाओ, हनी 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 हनी।
And I can charge up to 80% in just 18 minutes. यार ये पहली एक्शन कैमरा है दुनिया की जिसके अंदर आपको 50 GB स्टोरेज ऑलमोस्ट बिल्ट इन मिल जाता है। आई एम शुक यार, क्या व्हाट द हेल? दिस इज लाइक द बेस्ट व्लॉगिंग सेटअप आई हैव एवर कम अक्रॉस। So two people can vlog together. तेरे को कुछ बनना है कि नहीं जिंदगी में?
नहीं।
Hi guys and welcome back to Bike with Girl. आज मेरे साथ है one of the funkiest looking ZX14Rs in the country which belongs to Swaranjit Bajaj. Look at how cool it looks. But you know what I'm geeking out on more? This tiny piece of tech. This by the way is the new DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and this thing has got me hooked because me as a motorcyclist I use action cams all the time on motorcycles but this has got to be the best I have used to date. क्यों? आपको बताने वाली हूँ. And just FYI, this is not a sponsored post by DJI. I genuinely love this camera. आपके साथ ये कितनी बार हो चुका है where you have bought a brand new action camera and you're like let me test it out and then you've gone and you're like you hit this record button and you can't shoot because आपको अंदर SD कार्ड डालना पड़ता है. ये तो आप भूल ही चुके हो. इसमें ये आपको नहीं करना पड़ेगा because this actually gets built-in storage. आप यहाँ देखोगे तो इंटरनल आपको दिखेगा 28.5 GB स्टोरेज है इसमें of 47.8 GB which is essentially like 48 GB man. तो there's your internal storage and then you also I've got an SD card going on in there. So in case आप कभी भूल चुके हो अपना SD कार्ड लाना, this will save your because it's the first action cam to have built-in storage. Touching. Okay, let's start with the features and the specs क्योंकि I have to tell you all about that first. So, firstly, it gets a 1/1.3 sensor which records up to 4K यार. तो आपके जो बड़े televisions हैं, no issues if you're recording your everything on the new 5 Pro. Now, apart from that, it's also got 40 megapixels for all those photographs, bro. So how cool is that? By the way, are you seeing that OLED screen right there? बाकी सब जो है ना they're still on LED only. अबे यार अनीश, I forgot to charge the camera यार. It's almost dying. How do I forget that this is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro? This can go up to 80%. I can charge up to 80% in just 18 minutes. It's crazy. I'll just put this on charge and come. Here you go. I didn't need to charge it to 80%. 72% dude, like literally 15 minutes and mad. It's like fast charging your iPhone, like it's crazy. And also, this gets a 4-hour extended battery life. Geeking out! Both exhausts. People will loving it. कैसी लगी है कैमरा? हाँ मस्त है. For a motor vlogger, this is the best combination you can get to ride a bike and also have a conversation without 100 wires and a compromise to the insert of your helmet. Now check this out. This is the DJI Mic 2 which most people are using nowadays, right? All I have to do is clip it onto my top. Now look here. Yeah, that's it. And now I'm going to ride and you're going to see the result. I'm going to jabber away and you're going to be shocked by the fact that such a simple and clean setup can give you such an amazing result. Bye! Okay, so here I am with a setup which has 0 wires involved. It's just connected via Bluetooth. The mic has just automatically connected to the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, as you can hear from what I'm doing. And I'm riding a 1400cc loud motorcycle like the birds do. But the quality of sound is amazing. You can actually hear the engine. Usually on other action cameras, that is one thing I used to really miss. Which is why आप लोगों ने कभी मुझे vlogging करते हुए देखा नहीं है, because I hated that यार आपको insert निकाल के उसके अंदर mic घुसाना पड़ता है और क्या क्या फैलाना रखना. I do not agree with these things because it really compromises the actual safety element of your helmet. Over here, I have literally just clipped it to my t-shirt and I'm riding with it and you can hear the sound. There's no sound enhancement that's been done. This is what it is. And it would be better, in fact, if I wore it higher up on my jacket, but right now I'm just wearing it on my t-shirt. So yeah, I have to say that this is like the best vlogging setup I have ever come across. And now I will be more than happy to be moto vlogging for you all when I ride motorcycles because I have the perfect setup. And by the way, it can actually connect to not one but 2 DJI Mic 2s. So suppose your friend is also riding, you all are both riding alongside and it is connected via Bluetooth to the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. It will pick up sounds of both people. So 2 people can vlog together. Wow! Groundbreaking DJI, well done. माही बे स्कूल जाती कि नहीं?
नहीं।
क्यों?
अच्छा नहीं।
अच्छा नहीं लगता स्कूल जाना? तेरे को कुछ बनना है कि नहीं जिंदगी में?
नहीं।
नहीं? यही करेगी? नहीं, ऐसा अच्छा नहीं है। स्कूल तेरे को जाना है। What do we do to get this girl to go to school? माही, क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या है स्कूल से? हाँ?
इस टीचर मारते हैं।
अरे मेरे को भी बहुत मारा, मेरे को भी बहुत मारा, सबको मारते हैं टीचर। फिर क्या हुआ? उसमें क्या है? मम्मी नहीं मारती तेरी?
नहीं।
नहीं मारती? वाह लकी यार। ताली दे। ना आपको मैं एक फ़ायदे की बात बताती हूँ, स्पेशली इफ़ यू आर अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर हु इज़ अ सोलो कंटेंट क्रिएटर। अभी मेरे साथ क्या होता है, कभी कभी जब अनीश बीमार हो जाता है तो अगर मेरे को कोई वीडियो बनाना होता है तो आई स्ट्रगल, क्योंकि क्या होता है कि मेरा कैमरा मेरे सामने रखा है मैंने, आई डोंट नो कि वो क्या रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है ऑफकोर्स। तो मैं इधर गई फिर उधर गई और बेसिकली कभी कभी मैं फ्रेम के बाहर ही निकल जाती हूँ। पर जो DJI Osmo 5 Pro है ना, ये आपको कहाँ भी आप जाओगे ना, ये आपको फ्रेम के सेंटर में ही रखेगा। So it can track a subject, tell you what pressure you're reaching underwater and up in the sky. And speaking from experience, it will not turn off in extreme temperatures. जब बारिश होती है कैमरा ऑन रहेगा, जब थोड़ी गर्मी ज़्यादा हो जाती है कैमरा ऑन रहेगा, जब आप लद्दाख जाओगे कैमरा ऑन रहेगा। With another camera that I have used in the past, it turned off on all 3 occasions. In fact, I was playing around with this camera even in the night yesterday, and the quality was just next level, yaar. Today's video that you see, 90% of it was shot on the new Osmo Action 5 Pro. So now you know, put this on one of those huge TVs and you'll know what I'm talking about when it comes to quality, because that is where you'll actually be able to see if it's pixelating or not. Okay, so conclusion ये बनता है कि अगर आप अपना hard earned money अगर action camera खरीदने में लगाना चाहते हो, the new DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro has got to be it, man. It is one piece of tech that will change your life as someone that rides motorcycles, as someone that races motorcycles. If you're a creator, you're creating content like I do, if you just wanna, put your camera on and just shoot while you're riding a bike, or if you just wanna shoot your life, you don't need a phone. This small piece of tech is going to change your game, and how. On every platform, be it vertical or horizontal. It's priced well, and honestly, the tech on it is amazing. जैसे एक छोटी सी चीज़ की थी DJI ने थोड़े साल पहले, where they introduced the magnetic mount, wherein you didn't have to stop the bike and go from horizontal, take out all the screw systems and then go vertical, and then you've lost your shot already. Because all you had to do was, while riding, you could just go from horizontal to vertical, and that magnetic mount was so bomb. It changed my game entirely. So if you guys are looking, like I said, if you guys are looking for an action cam, this has got to be it. आपको कैसा लगा मेरा वीडियो? Like I said, ये sponsored नहीं है, but when I genuinely like a product, I make sure to talk about it. So share this video with a friend that's looking for a new action camera this Diwali, and I'll see you on the other side. Subscribe करो and comment also. कैसे लगे मेरी scary वाले glasses? Halloween आ रहा है यार. I need to vibe with it.